Hey, what's going on, Rockstar? I know sometimes when you listen to my video, you normally hear me speak about SAL, which is my best friend, and that simply stands for simplicity, automation, and leverage, right? So I thought about how I could be able to even give back to my community even more. And the best way for me to do that is to provide you with massive value that's different, that has a twist to it, right? So I've put together a little series of videos for one of my favorite tools, and pretty much I'm going to show you how you could monetize with this tool. It's an all-in-one tool, and of course it is the tool that I use to run the back office of my business and sell my products in the online space, and I absolutely love this tool. I'm going to try my best to keep it super simple, especially if you are a beginner at this. And some of the videos, I know you might have questions. I'm going to leave some links for you to get some goodies and whatnot, but stick around, make sure you watch the entire series. So it's going to be like a Vlogmas System IO style. All right, so I'll see you on the videos. So I wanted to do this series for you as promised, and I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it because I know all of you are interested in winning, right? Now, the tool that I'm going to kind of give you a pretty much walkthrough over here is systeme.io, right? And I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description for you so that you could get started with a free account. I'm going to give you two options, actually. If you want to get started with a free account, I'm going to give you that option. And I'm also going to give you the option if you want to get started with a discounted option for the yearly plan. All right. Now, this is it right here. And it pretty much, if you want to check out the link, you'll go over to it and then you'll look at some of the features to see what it offers. You see, it gives you a website builder, email marketing. You could manage your affiliate. You could do courses, blogging. You could sell digital products and the entire works, right? But for the sake of this, remember I told you that I'm going to keep it super simple, especially if you are getting started. So in this first Vlogmas style video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you could pretty much get started with this tool and you could start monetizing right away if it is that you want to be able to generate extra income, right? Now, when you first create your account with this platform, this is exactly what it's going to look like. All right. You're going to have the different options up here where it shows the dashboard. All right. This is going to be your main dashboard, the affiliate dashboard, the student dashboard, and the marketplace. All right. Contacts tab, all right, where you're able to store contacts or where the contacts will be stored once they come into your system. There's pipeline, and this pretty much allows you to set up automations that it just takes the contacts through a series of step by step in order to get them to go on that buying journey with you. All right. There's a calendar, and that is actually a new feature that the platform just rolled out. And instead of you having to use Calendly or one of those external calendars, you actually now have the option where you're able to utilize a calendar in here. All right. So let's just say, for example, you decide to sell coaching services after you get set up, right? You could actually have your calendar set up in here where persons could actually book their slot with you in order for them to get started. Let's see, right here we have the website tabs where there is blogs, there is sales funnels, and there's also digital stores, right? Now, if any one of you know me, you know that I'm all about simplicity, right? So I pretty much did a video show you how to set up your digital store, right? If it is that you want to get those quick sales, the quick downloads and everything. And I'm going to go ahead and link that video to it so that you could also check out that video. But remember, for these Vlogmas style videos, we're going to keep them super short. So this one is pretty much the intro, and I'm going to show you a quick way how you could start monetizing just by getting started with this platform. All right. You see this tab over here, it's the emails tab, because remember, you're getting a pretty much all-in-one tool. So underneath the email tab, you're able to send out newsletters, campaigns, and you're also able to see the statistics. All right. Over here, we got the automations. Y'all heard me in the beginning, in the intro, I talked about my best friend, Sal, right? And Sal pretty much stands for simplicity, automation, and leverage. All right. So over here underneath automation, this is what allows you now to be able to go to sleep, wake up with money in your bank account, because you see things are happening while you're not touching anything, right? And if you're going to be in the online space, you definitely want to ensure that you have some sort of automation that is set up so that you are be able to generate that income without you having to lift a finger, right? Over here, we also have the products tab. And if you look at it, you're able to sell physical products, which I don't do, right? You're able to see the orders. You're able to create coupons that you could actually give to your potential clients, all right? You're able to house courses, and also we have communities, right? Underneath the sales tab, you could see your transactions, right? Your subscriptions, your invoices, and then if it is that you want to house yourself, your own affiliate program, then you actually get that option to do that. All right. And you see the help tab right here. So real quick, once you come in, what you're going to do is you are going to set up your profile. All right. And you're going to go over into settings, right? And then over here, you'll see my personal information. And this is just a test account that I created, right? But the number one thing that you want to do with all of this is you want to ensure that you go to payment gateways, right? And when you look at payment gateways, what it's going to do is going to give you the different payment options that can be connected on the back end of this system, whether it's Stripe, whether it's PayPal, whether it's Sendit, whether it's Paystack. You pick the option that you want, and then what you're going to do is then you're going to go ahead and click connect, right? What I love about this is that it gives you the step by step and show you exactly what to do and how to connect it. So if you have an existing PayPal account, it actually shows you how you're now able to convert that PayPal account from being a personal account. If it is that it is a personal account, right? You're able to now convert it to a business account so that you're able to connect it here inside of this platform. If it is that you want to use Stripe, you could go ahead and create a Stripe account, then you'll connect it with it, right? The reason why this is important is because this now is what will allow you to collect payments in the online space, right? You see how when you go to the store and you have to swipe your card, or you order online and you have to put in your card information? On the back end of those stores that you normally would use, there is what is called a merchant that is in place. You need a merchant that is going to be able to accept the transaction or reject it, right? It is the same thing in the online space. All right. So boom. Now that we have, get those fundamentals out of the way, we're going to unpeel the different layers of this system in a simple way to show you how you could get set up, right? Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how once you get started with your account, and remember, I'll leave a link in the description for you to go ahead and register for your account, right? Once you get started and set up with your account, I'm going to show you how you now could start promoting products or promoting services that you did not create, but you could be collecting what is called an affiliate commission from something that you did not create. And I know we're all out here in the online space and we're trying to generate that income. All right. So you see inside of your profile, what you're going to do right here, you see you're going to hover over dashboard, right? And then you're going to go down to where it says marketplace. You're not even going to go to affiliate dashboard yet. In fact, let's go to affiliate dashboard, right? Let me show you straight off the bat. Right? When you use the link in the description that I provide you with to be able to get your account started, you're going to immediately become what is called an affiliate, right? For this tool. And it means then that you now could promote this tool and earn up to 60% lifetime commissions. All right. So that's the first way that you're able to earn or to generate. You actually get an affiliate link like this that is embedded, and you now could share this all around the world, right? So let's go over here to the marketplace, right? Because I want to show you how you could pretty much start generating income right away, right? Now you see over here, you have some offers and then you have affiliate programs, right? This is all embedded in the tool, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to go ahead over here and I want you to select affiliate programs. When you select affiliate programs, right? If you look at the top right here, it shows you the different programs that you could become an affiliate for, right? But I want you to utilize wisdom for a minute, right? And why I actually love this tool and why I'm doing this kind of Vlogmas style series in order to help you to understand the power of this tool. Over the last 30 days, this tool has paid out over 320,000 US dollars, right? In affiliate commissions. Remember, I shared with you earlier that once you sign up right? With the link that I provide you in the description. And you have two options that you could sign up. I'm giving you a link where you could get started for free, right? But I'm also giving you a link where if you want to get started with this and you really want to monetize or, knock it out of the park or take it to the next level, I'm going to give you a link that actually gives you a 40% discount off of the annual plan. All right. So the choice is up to you, but let's just dive right into this, right? This is the actual tool right here. The rate is 60%. You see how much has been paid out over the last 30 days, more than $250,000 US. Now, you could take your time and you could scroll and look at the other affiliate products that are there. And these are embedded in the tool, right? You'll see the percentage that is paid out based on the affiliate program itself, right? But it also shows you over the last 30 days, right? How much money has been paid out. And you could do this. Let me just add some more to the page so that you're able to see. Now you see the lifetime for this tool right here over, let's just call it over 7 million, right? Over $7 million has been paid out in affiliate commission. So this tells me that this is solid. And that is the reason why I'm on here even sharing all of this good stuff with you. So you could scroll down a bit and take a look at the different stuff, right? One thing I love about affiliate marketing, there is smart ways to do it, right? And there's also other ways that you could do it, right? Now, if you look at this, right, you could look at the different programs that are there and you could check them out. And what you'll automatically do, let's just take this one, for example. I could go ahead right here and click it, right? When I click it, it tells me about the commission rate that is paid. And this one pays out 35%. It tells me the commission that was earned over the last 30 days. But it also gives me an option, right? It also gives me an option where I'm now able to go ahead and look at the product, right? So when I click that, you see right here where it says promote offer. When I click this now, what it does, it takes me to the sales page, right? And what this actually does, it links my affiliate link. See right here? It has that. It links what is called my affiliate link to it so that whenever now I could go and promote this, I get a percentage off of the commissions. Is that wow or is that wow? Right? Now, let me go back here because I want you guys to think about this real quick, right? Would you rather promote something that's going to give you a couple dollars, or would you rather promote something that is actually going to be solid, right? Now we could go right here because this is the actual tool. It tells you about it. It tells you how long this has been around, right? It tells you the number of affiliates. Now look at this. 146,000 affiliates, right, that have this program, and they're out there promoting this program. So it tells me that this is rock solid, right? If you're in the online space, especially if you want to do online marketing, digital marketing, and all that good stuff, right? You want to ensure that you are promoting tools, systems, programs, softwares. These are things that actually provide a solution for people. And not only that, right? Not only does it provide a solution, people need it, right? So a tool like this, System IO, it now, like I shared earlier, it is pretty much the wheel on the back end of my business that covers everything. And in another episode of the Vlogmas series, I'm going to do another deep dive. But you want to take a look at this and you see the different options that are there where you're now able to promote the annual plan. You now could get a 60% commission off of that, right? Why does this get me so excited? It gets me excited, right? Because see, on the back end of my business, I get to generate a minimum of about almost 120 US dollars per client who decides to go for the annual, right? Because it makes sense. The annual, it gives you more features, more access to things, right? And then now you're able to, instead of you billing like this one level or one story business, you're able now to have a wing A, a wing B, different levels where you're able now to pretty much knock it out the park, all right? But like I said, I just wanted to give you this quick intro, right? How you're able to make money with this. One, let's recap real quick. You sign up for the account. I'll leave a link in the description for you, right? Secondly, you're going to connect your payment processor because you want to be able to receive payments through this system, right? Thirdly, you are going to go to the marketplace and you're going to look at the different options that are there for you to be able to promote, right? Now, how do you promote it? You are going to borrow my belief, take a kick from me, get out of your own way, and you now go and add value in the marketplace. Whether it is you pick a social media platform, a news forum, whatever it is, you're going to go to add value. See how you could solve a problem for one person. And if you solve the problem for that one person, it means then that you could solve the problem for another 10 individuals. And that's all you're going to do. You already have your affiliate link that is tied to you. What you're going to do now is you're then going to provide that solution. Then now you're going to give persons the next step. And the next step is called a call to action. And the call to action will be your affiliate link where they go to get the solution to the problem that you are solving. All right. So make sure you check out the links in the description and I'll see you on the next video. All right.